Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card slider using HTML and CSS. First, we will set up the fundamental HTML structure. This involves creating a main container for our slider and then adding several individual card elements inside it. Next, we will apply some initial CSS to this container and the cards to establish their basic layout and ensure they are ready for further styling and functionality. This foundational step is crucial for building a robust and visually appealing card slider. Now, let's focus on making our individual cards look great. We will apply various CSS properties such as background colors, padding, and margins to give each card a distinct appearance. Adding a subtle border and a box shadow can significantly enhance their visual depth and separation. For arranging these cards horizontally within our slider, we will leverage the power of CSS Flexbox or Grid, ensuring a clean and organized presentation across the layout. With our cards styled, it is time to implement the actual sliding mechanism. We will use the CSS Overflow X property set to scroll on the container to allow horizontal movement. To ensure a smooth and user-friendly experience, we will then apply scroll snap type to the container, typically set to X mandatory. Finally, we will use scroll snap align on each individual card, often set to start, to make them snap perfectly into view as the user scrolls. To complete our card slider, we will focus on responsiveness and enhancements. It is crucial to ensure our slider adapts seamlessly to various screen sizes, from large desktops to small mobile devices, using media queries. We can also add interactive elements like navigation arrows or pagination dots to improve user experience, allowing for easy traversal through the cards. Finally, we will consider performance optimizations to guarantee a smooth and fluid sliding motion for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.